Hi everyone, my name is Philip and I'm the data as a product guy. Today we spotlight on domain owners. If you're running a data product inside Microsoft Fabric, here's why a decentralized data mesh with federated governance beats the classical centralized DWH point by point. Let me share my screen with you. So, as you can see, it starts with ownership and autonomy. This means like you own your backlog, your releases, and your priorities. No central scheduler dictates when your work ships. That means faster iteration cycles and fewer dependencies that block delivery. Second, clear contracts via output ports. This means like your output is a proper API. It's version data, schema, and schema hash and explicit quality signals. Your consumers, your customers integrate against that contract. So you can evolve safely without breaking downstream data products. And then, of course, like signals over schedules. Instead of guessing at 2 a.m., you emit a signal when your snapshot is sealed. Downstream products listen and react only if the contract conditions match, like a version is bigger than 1.6 or quality gates passed. This lead time drops and confidence rises. And fourth, the evidence and quality measurable SLOs, the service level objectives. Events carry quality status, record counts, and time window. Now you can track event to ready latency and freshness as a real service level objective. Quality isn't a feeling, it's now observable. Huh? And then, of course, like the lower coupling. Huh? The changes first stay local with a small blast radius. No brittle cross team chains. If something fails, it doesn't topple the entire line. This makes you much more resilient against compared to the classical DWH pattern. Then compliance by design. Yeah, it's like you have federated policies, you have role-based access control, you have like PII as a personal information tags, you have the lineage retention, and they are enforced by the platform, not by meetings. You build business logic, the guardrails are applied consistently as code. And of course, like the FinOps transparency. You see usage costs and cost per data product. Budgets and quotas can be set per domain. It becomes obvious what delivers value and what needs tuning. It's very, very important. Huh? And then, of course, like the reuse and the discovery, the catalog output ports means consumers can find the official source fast, which means less custom extraction, less duplicates, and more reuse. Huh? So you focus on business logic. Platform abstracts infrastructure. Your teams invest time in where it matters. Business rules, semantics, and of course the outcomes, the way you business value. Huh? And all of this raises resilience and back pressure. Means event buffering, retries, idempotent processing, stop failure cascades. So no more domino effect, just graceful degradation and recovery. Huh? And of course, it's scalable. It's scalable growth. New consumers simply subscribe. The producer doesn't change. One signal can power many use cases without extra work. Huh? So this overall is means like, hey, look like the move. It's like what you're gonna do. It's like you start small, you publish a snapshot sealed event, subscribe one downstream, uh, that one subscribe as a downstream data product, use an activator, and then you measure event to insight. So you feel the speed and the calm of decoupling. So I'm the data as a product guy. If you have any comments or questions, drop them in the comments below and see you next time. Thanks for listening and have a nice day. Bye.